everyone, Nikki with Off Leash Canine Training, Greater Boston. Today I have Kai. He's a 10-month-old Shiba Inu. Kai comes in for the 2-week board and train with me just to go over his basic obedience. He's still just a puppy, so he still has a lot of that puppy crazy energy and a lot of that puppy brain. So his owner complaints are, pulling on leash, jumping up on people, just being really overexcited, not listening to when they need him to listen, easily distracted when out in public. They are looking forward to having kids in their family, so they would like to ensure that he's listening properly and doing everything that he should be doing in order for everything to go nice and smoothly. They want to be able to take him on nice walks in New York without having to worry about him pulling towards other dogs or being easily distracted. So we'll show you what he can do, and then we'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Kai, come. Kai, sit. Sit. Kai, sit. Kai, sit. Kai, down. Kai, down. 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 Kai, sit. Sit. So Kai did have some previous training with PetSmart. It doesn't look like he's retained any of the information or willing to follow through with anything. He seems kind of confused when I'm asking him to sit or down. I'm not going to ask him any further commands because those are the two most basic commands that most dogs do know. So we're going to start from scratch, build him up from the bottom, and then see you guys in 2 weeks.